petunias out. Beautiful, real flowers. As you can see, they extended our porch, but it's not matching the concrete color, so we're going to use these to mask. My husband opened up the birdhouses and said, "Oh shit, wasp flew out of there." Oh my god. And I was just about to ask him if he wanted me to grab the birdseed, but he bought some. And this is why I stay inside. Actually might have been bees. I found this little guy inside. I think he traveled in on the bottom of his shoe. I don't know. But we still have a lot of wasps that hang around out there as well. So, especially by our front door. But wasps are supposed to be witches' protectors. But I've been stung by a bee as a child, and I just don't like stinging insects myself. But I do collect them for magic workings. If you like these little behind-the-scenes looks at my magic, my flowers, my home life, give a like, a comment, share, subscribe. I'd love to have you in our little coven over on this side of the internet.
Eyes are wet, but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's
On one of our hallway shelves, I do have a little spot where I do keep a card and a few offerings to Oshun. It's right next to our wedding picture, some wedding gifts, and a fountain. So that's the water element. Water elements are good to keep in your house. We found a tiny fountain that's great for abundance, to keep flow going. This was broken, but me and my husband figured out what was wrong with it, and now she's got her water element back. And I've got some seeds, some shells, some coins, some sunflowers. So now we've got the red ones for the backyard, red petunias, white out front. So beautiful. Practice out so he can use this pot, but he just grabbed it with his whole hand.
Damn, that dirt dry. So I got these, and they grow out and up. These are like on the side of the road. So when they get too big, I guess it. I don't know what this is called either. Now,
We got the cardinal mix this time, but all the birds love it. The blue jays, the cardinals, the brown birds. The blackbirds haven't been back that much, but they have been lurking. But as soon as we load up the houses, they flock. And we have the fountains, of course, so they go back and forth between the fountains and the birdhouses. This will be gone in like 2 days. They have emptied out. Then it was finally time to go meet a family friend at Cheddar's. Oh, it was so delicious. We even ordered stuff to take home too. So